Hello everyone, my name is Teresa of Chopstick and Succulents, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this miniature succulent arrangement in a wooden box. I prefer to use a wooden planter for this project because just like terracotta, wood helps wick the moisture away from the soil, which is essential to prevent overwatering, especially when I will be using tiny succulent plants for this project. Creating miniature arrangements can be a bit challenging because succulents of small sizes are not readily available in the market. They are not as common like their matured version. But there are different ways you can get these baby succulents. First, there are succulent varieties that are originally small, like this crassula here that is as big as my pinky finger. Another way to get small succulents is when you grow them from leaves, like this Cryptocidum variegans here that are already very colorful even though still very small. Also, check out this pretty pink Echeveria Pearl von Norberg that also started from a leaf propagation. Growing succulents from leaves take a bit longer and it requires a lot of patience, but it is so much fun. You can also get small succulents when you buy cuttings. In my case, because I sell them, I get to choose the cutest and the most colorful variety I could find. What's even better for me, they are free. So if you need some succulent cuttings, visit my website and find out if we have stocks available. I will leave the link in the description below. Another way to get small succulents is from crested plants. Often they are compact and they grow smaller versions. So if you're willing to get a small portion of it, that is another way to get baby succulents. You can also get the babies growing around their mother, like in the Echeverias. We call them hen and chicks, where the hen is the mother plant and the chicks are the little babies surrounding it. Lastly, you can get it from your trim plants. When you trim your succulents, they tend to produce more sprouts. And while they are still small, you can harvest them too. Sometimes you have to be careful also because when you trim them too much, they do not recover faster and their babies tend to be smaller. Now, it's time to create the arrangement. A lot of people are saying that succulents are helping them with their anxiety and depression. The succulents help them relax. I truly agree, and I have to confess that creating arrangements is my way of relaxation. This might seem weird to some people, but I want you to try and be truly present as you watch me put this together. Take a deep breath and enjoy.